Mind-blowing new gaming laptops.
ASUS unleashes the future. Meet the all-new ROG Zephyrus G14 and G16. At Computex 2025, ASUS unveiled its latest ROG Zephyrus G14 and G16 laptops, setting new benchmarks in portable gaming and creative performance. These refreshed models blend cutting-edge hardware with sleek designs, catering to gamers and professionals alike. ROG Zephyrus G14 2025 Compact Powerhouse. The ROG Zephyrus G14 stands out with its lightweight design, weighing just 1.5 kilograms and measuring 1.6 centimeters in thickness. Under the hood, it features up to an AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor with 12 cores and 24 threads, complemented by an AMD XDNA NPU delivering up to 16 TOPS for AI tasks. Graphics are handled by up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU, ensuring smooth gameplay and efficient rendering. The laptop boasts a vibrant 14-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering crisp visuals and deep contrasts. For those seeking affordability without compromising performance, ASUS offers configurations with the GeForce RTX 5060 GPU, providing enhanced DLSS 4 support and making the G14 more accessible to a broader audience. ROG Zephyrus G16 2025 versatility meets performance. The ROG Zephyrus G16 caters to users desiring a larger screen without sacrificing portability. It features a 16-inch OLED display with a 240Hz refresh rate, ensuring fluid visuals for both gaming and content creation. Powered by up to an AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor and paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU, the G16 handles demanding tasks with ease. The inclusion of AI accelerators enhances productivity applications, while NVIDIA Advanced Optimus technology optimizes battery life and performance. Key features across both models. AI integration. Both laptops incorporate AMD's AI processors, enhancing tasks like video editing, streaming, and gaming. Advanced cooling. ASUS's ROG Intelligent Cooling System ensures optimal thermal performance, maintaining high performance during intensive tasks. Portability. Despite their powerful internals, both models maintain a slim profile, making them ideal for users on the move.